Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and demonstrating this ieGeek 5 megapixel solar powered security camera system. Alright guys, so this item was gifted to me to do this video, and you know me, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to unbox it for you, show you what it looks like, set it up, and test it out in real world conditions and see exactly how it performs, then come back and show you the results. So the first thing, let's get this out of the box and see what it looks like. We have our camera, a USB cable, a solar panel mounting base, and some little bitty hardware. Okay guys, so here's our mounting base here. We mount this wherever we want to put the camera at. And if I'm not mistaken, it just basically, you put the camera up here, and when it's mounted, slide it down. It has a little clip down here that allows you to take it off again if you need to. Okay, so that's pretty easy. Just find a place to mount your base and then the camera clips on. This is where our power is going to go in right here. Once we get it installed, let's see, down here we have where our SD card is going to go in. Right there. It doesn't actually come with an SD card. No SD card. Okay. So I'll have to get an SD card for it. But guys, it feels pretty solid and looks like it should do a good job. So what we're going to do now is go install it and test it out in the field and then come back and show you those results. Alright guys, so I'm back with the camera and it's been out in the field for a while. And so let me go ahead and just show you some footage from the testing period. Alright guys, so you saw that there. It did really good. It had really good clear daytime picture video, nighttime video detection. I didn't have a lot of different animals coming to my feeder there, but the ones that did come, it did catch video of. So guys, it was easy to set up. I really didn't have any trouble with it and accessed it remotely with the app. No problems whatsoever there. Just a pretty smooth operation all around, and solar panel kept it perfectly charged even though we had about a week of cloudy weather. It still was able to function the whole time. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit that thumbs up underneath the video to let me know if this video helped you out. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.